If your Toyota RAV4 refuses to start when you turn the key, you are likely dealing with one of these common failure points. Statistics show that over 70% of no-start issues in older RAV4s trace back to the battery or terminal cables. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to identify exactly what is wrong with your ignition system. Start by checking your battery terminals, then try shifting into neutral and listening for specific clicking noises from the engine bay. The most frequent suspects are a dead battery, a corroded ground strap, or worn contacts inside your ignition switch. If the battery is fine, inspect the starter motor, the main starter fuse, or even the vehicle immobilizer system. You can easily handle basic electrical cleaning and fuse checks, but internal starter or computer issues should go to a professional. Repair costs vary significantly, with simple fuses being nearly free, while starter motors can climb into the hundreds. For deeper diagnostics, use a multimeter to check battery voltage and an OBD-I scanner to pull any hidden error codes. Keep a basic digital multimeter, a wire brush, and a standard socket set in your trunk to handle these roadside emergencies. Remember, never force a stubborn key past the ignition resistance point to avoid breaking the delicate internal cylinder mechanism. If you're still stuck after these checks, it is time to call a pro. Thanks for watching and stay safe.